In this video, we're going to show you how to convert your standard RC car over to our Dolly car system. To start, you should set the car in a box so it's easier to work with. And you're going to go ahead and grab your included orange wrench and start taking the wheels off. You're going to want to grab the wheel so it doesn't spin on you while you're taking it off. And you might want to use your thumbs to push on the axle to help the wheel slide off easier. Once all 4 regular wheels are off, grab your new rubber-coated aluminum dolly wheels and slide them on each axle, making sure they're lined up properly. You're going to want to put on your spacer, then you're going to go ahead and thread on your nut. And go ahead and grab hold of your wheel again and tighten it up. Repeat this process for the rest of the wheels to finish this conversion. If you need any more information on any of our other products, please feel free to visit us at CINEGEARS.com.